Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys yet another wig install. Today we're gonna be installing this hair. This is from Ishow. Let me show you guys the cute box. So it's called Ishow hair and it's 100% human hair. So in the box was the hair. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. It also came with this cute little hair tie, which I think is super cute. And then it also came with a few gifts. It came with these eyelashes, and then it also came with this band. This is really nice for you to like wear if you want to protect your hairline as you're doing your makeup. Let me open it. If you've already installed your wig and then you're putting on your makeup, you can just use that to protect your hairline so that it doesn't get foundation all over it. It also came with a wig cap right here, and then here is the hair. It's actually so well packaged. It even has like a sponge in there protecting the hairline. Okay, let's take these things out. It's really nice the way they've packed it. So this is the hair. This is 20 inches. It's a body wave. It's actually so stunning. Let me show you guys the hairline. It's already come with baby hairs done. You guys know I love baby hairs, so the baby hairs have come done. The knots have been bleached. The lace is tinted. So this is one of those very beginner friendly type wigs. And look at that body wave, guys. Ooh, this is how the hair comes straight out of the box, and I don't think I'm actually gonna need to do anything to this hair at all. I'm literally just gonna install it and then we're gonna call it a day because this is so well done. Okay, so they also sent some info on the hair, which of course I'm gonna put in the description box down below. But this is a 360 body wave lace frontal wig, 20 inches, and it's 150% density. It's also 100% human hair. It can be dyed and bleached, and it says that there's no shedding, but it's 360 as you guys can see. So you can literally install the hair 360 and tie it up if you want to. So let's go ahead and get into this install. So of course the first thing I'm gonna do is cut off all the lace 360. I'm first gonna cut off the back and then I wear the wig so that I know where to cut, because if I cut the lace when the wig is off, then I won't know like how to make the ears fit me properly. So let's cut the back first. Now it also comes with these drawstrings, so you can be able to make the wig fit you perfectly. So usually I bring the drawstring up to almost like the middle. I make the meet in the middle so that the wig really just fits beautifully. It also has several clips for you to secure it. So it has the 2 clips at the side, right? Yeah, it has 2 clips here at the side. It has the 1 clip at the back, which I usually feel is so important, and then it even has 1 clip in the middle. So this is what I mean, guys. If I had cut the lace when the wig wasn't on me, then I wouldn't know how to maneuver this. But now that the wig is actually on me, I can see where I need to cut off the lace. Let's get a close-up of this hairline. Hey, so nice. Here are the 2 baby hairs that have already been left out for you, but that's the beautiful hairline that we have. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put just a little bit of mousse so that I can push all the hair all the way to the back, so that I'm able to work with the lace and cut it in peace. Perfect. Now it will be easy for me to cut that lace off. Now this side hasn't fit me so well, so I'm gonna have to eat into the hair just a little bit so that it fits me. Yeah guys, I have to take off some hair so that it fits me. So now what I'm gonna do is just remove it and put some foundation at the beginning of the lace, just to tint it a little bit more. It's already tinted, but then I need a bit more tint. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline foundation, and I'm really just gonna focus on the edge of the lace. So I'm just dotting some foundation on that. And then I'm just gonna use my brush here to blend that into the lace. I always think it's better to do this before you cut your lace, but I forgot. So because when you do it after, the foundation kind of gets onto your wig, and then you have to spend a bit more time, you know, to clear that up, which is okay, but you can avoid it just by doing this step, tinting your lace with your foundation before you cut your lace. So the tint is done, and this is gonna make a really big difference in how the wig is gonna look once it's on. Yeah guys, I always get foundation on the hair, but that's okay. We can just fix that by using wipes. I'm gonna the foundation is getting onto my face. That's okay. I'm gonna use my Got To Be gel, and I'm gonna apply it just in front of my hairline rather than on my hairline, but again, now not too far ahead of my hairline, because that actually looks weird when you install your wig literally so close to your eyebrows. That looks a bit unrealistic, so we're not gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna let that set, and I'm gonna use my blow dry to do that. Nowadays I usually put this comb on the blow dry because it just concentrates that air and it dries the glue much quicker. Now lay the wig down. The sides never stick the first time around for me, literally never, so I always have to like go back in while pressing it down. I usually put the blow dry on like warm, and I just use that to melt the lace. And now the next thing to do is to set that glue in place, and I'm gonna use an elastic band to do that. I think I've given it enough time now, about 5 minutes. Looks good, looks good. Now I'm gonna just clean up, because you guys can see like there's a lot of glue residue everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is just use a piece of cotton wool and a bit of micellar water just to clean up even the places that got foundation when I was tinting the lace. So now I think we can work on the hair itself. So I'm first gonna go in with some mousse just to move the hair back, make it look flat, make it look realistic here in the front. Okay, now on to get into the baby hairs. Since I've already put mousse, it's quite simple. They're just accepting me. I'm gonna use a bit of my Nice and Lovely gel, my Nice and Lovely styling gel though, just so that they stay like this and they don't move the whole day. I'm actually gonna leave it at that. Not too much, not all the time too much baby hair, eh? Told you guys I'm gonna leave the hair in its original state because that body wave, it's coming through. It is coming through. That's it, guys. I'm so happy I didn't have to do anything to the hair, because like the hair straight out of the box is just, it's done. It's lovely, it's perfect. So once again, this wig is from Ishow hair, and I'm gonna leave a direct link to this hair in the description box down below. You guys can go check it out. In terms of quality, it's really good. Just like I told you guys earlier, it's 100% human hair. So this is the kind of hair that you can do anything to. If you want to bleach it, you can bleach it. If you want to, of course, you can apply heat on it, you can flat iron it, you can curl it, whatever it is that you want. It's very soft. It's really soft. And of course we have the inches. I love my inches. I love that I didn't have to do anything to it, and just like the way it came in the box is the way it is. Like I told you guys, it came, the hairline was done. It actually had baby hairs already done on it. It's just me who's actually decided to add my own baby hairs, but it came with its own baby hairs done. The lace was tinted, although I did tint it a little bit more to match, you know, my scalp. But yeah, it's a really good wig, especially if you're a beginner. And I think you can also wear this wig gluelessly. You don't have to glue it down because it has the clips, 2 clips on the side, the 1 clip at the back, and then it also has the drawstring so that you're able to make the wig fit as perfectly as possible, which is really important if you want to wear your wig gluelessly. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos from me. And yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.